Today I'm off to Domino's because they've got 2 new pizzas in a cheesy range. They've got a loaded garlic cheese that is packed with melty mozzarella, bold parmesan and stretchy pieces of mozzarella on a garlic butter base sprinkled with oregano and cheese sprinkle for an extra cheesy hit. And they've got a cheesy BBQ Meats version, which is the one I'm going to get today. So how about we whip on into Domino's, grab one, suss it out, and see if it just tastes like every one of their other pizzas that they make. I think we all know the answer to that, but we'll go and get one anyway, so let's go. All right, here we go. The new Cheesy BBQ Meats Pizza. $15 this cost. Now, the loaded garlic cheese pizza is only $9, so this one has got an extra $6 worth of meat on it. Oof, probably a whole big chunk of sirloin, I reckon. Anyway, I don't think it weighs a lot. Oh, I did get the thin and crispy crust too, by the way, so it won't weigh as much as the standard crust, but I've got the scales. Let's see how much. I think it does weigh. All right, that says 548 grams. Usually the box is about 120 grams, so well, you're looking at about 420, 430 grams for this pizza. Anyway, it smells really great. So let's suss it out and see what the ingredients are. Oh, come at me, bro. Da 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 da. Oh, mate! That pizza looks like it's just come out of the Vogue magazine. Pizza edition. Now, the Cheesy BBQ Meats Pizza is laid with a cheddar cheese sauce base, bold parmesan cheese, stretchy mozzarella, crispy bacon, and our signature pepperoni finished with a sweet barbecue sauce drizzle. All right, well, it has been a few minutes since I bought it, so I'm not expecting a cheese stretch, but with the amount of cheese it's supposed to have on it, I should get at least something. And, well, it's so hard to see where he's cut it. I'm guessing there might be a cut along here somewhere. There's a little one there, I think. It's a bit hard to find them. Is this one over here? Oh, I think I found one. It's all right. You can stop the search party. Let's have a look. Not even a cheesy stretch. I want my money back. Well, maybe if I have a whinge later on, I might get a free pizza. Anyway, it does look pretty good. I can't see the extra $6 worth of meat there, though. Can you? And it says crispy bacon and signature pepperoni. I can't really see the pepperoni either. Anyway, let's go. Yeah, well, I mean, the barbecue sauce obviously is quite strong and overpowers everything. I do like the thin and crispy crust because you really can taste all the ingredients on it. And with that first bite, I could taste all the ingredients on it. I got the bacon, I got quite a bit of cheeses there. Not sure if I got any pepperoni though, because, well, is there any on it? But that first bite was pretty good. Didn't mind that. It was quite salty though, I did notice that, but flavour-wise it was good. It's pretty cheesy and tasted all right. Although with it being called Cheesy BBQ Meats, I thought it might have some barbecue meats on it. Instead, they just put some meat on it and then sprinkle some barbecue sauce on it. I hardly think that's barbecue meats, do you? Well, I certainly don't. Although I am a compulsive complainer, so even if it did, I'd probably still be whinging. But, I mean, it tastes all right. The cheese is good and there's enough of it. And cheese base seems all right and everything on it seems to taste pretty good. So I wonder what score I'd give it. Out of 10. Well, value-wise, $15 for this pizza. It costs an extra $6 than the one without meats, but I can't really see an extra $6 worth of meat on there. And in fact, I think they might have missed one of the key ingredients, which is the pepperoni. Oh, there's a pepperoni there. You can all stop looking. Flavour-wise, well, the flavour of it was, pretty good. There's enough cheese on there. There's several, in fact. And, well, your cheese base on it's pretty good. And Well, the cheese on top, mozzarella, was pretty good as well, and the barbecue sauce had a very sweet flavour, of course, which overpowered the whole thing, and there was no barbecue meats on it, like the name suggests that it should have, but it was an alright tasting pizza, but it was pretty expensive. I mean, for this? Save my over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the Cheesy BBQ Meats Pizza. New from Domino's, mate. I think I can only give this a... meh. I'll give it a 5.5 out of 10. It's not a bad tasting pizza. It tastes alright. There's enough cheese on there. The bacon was good. Well, what do you want? Anyway, it tastes alright, and I reckon if you get one, you're gonna like it. Anyway, it might be raining a little bit, but I might head down the beach there and, well, see if there's any land whales that need rolling back into the ocean. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next fast food review. I'll see you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's